Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Beaumont Elementary School, home of the Bears, here in Vista, California, and part of the Vista Unified School District. And this is my first visit of this school year, 2023-2024. I was here last school year talking about bullying and looking at someone's heart first. And you might wonder why I'm on the floor right now. Because today's topic was all about positivity, being your best self, but also really focusing on what it says on my shirt, which is keep your head up. So there's a lot of things in our lives that are going to kind of knock us down, right? And that are hard to get up from. But we know that those are opportunities to make us a lot stronger, right? If we let them. Kind of like the story of the butterfly. But before it's that, it has to be really struggle to become this new creation as a caterpillar and break out of the cocoon, the chrysalis, and it needs every second in there. But we know that there are so many things in our lives that might not be the easiest, right? The sun might not always be shining. It might not always be easy to stay positive and have a positive attitude with everyone and everywhere in our lives. But we know that we can reverse some of that negativity and get rid of those negative limiting beliefs and start to tell ourselves something more positive. Because we know that the person we'll talk to the most in our life is ourselves. And we want to be telling ourselves something kind, being kind to our mind. Because whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. So we want to tell it something more positive. So once we start knowing that truth, that we can really accomplish anything, get past anything, we also have to understand our worth and our value. I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here again. A lot of the students came up to me after this program and said, where's my M, where's my M? And sometimes a faint line connects. We have at least one in each hand. That M, we say, stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. And knowing that we are true miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it, we can be that light to other people's hearts. And it's such a really relevant and timely message that we're trying to kind of fixate on our young ones, because it's what they need to hear, right? Sometimes the mental health isn't the strongest nowadays. We're in front of the screens a lot too, as you're watching this video too, of course. But the idea is being able to break some of that, have those real heart-to-heart connections, and knowing that there's people around us that really truly care about us and know that true excellence, it's not always just being the best, have to be number one, always get 100%, get first place, but it's just doing your best. Right? And that comes to loving ourselves, but it also comes to any subject in school, any activity that we're a part of, after school program, the AM PM program here, any friendship that we're a part of. We're just always trying to do our best, right? We're gonna have bad days, but as long as we keep going, keep persevering, keep pushing for success, know that the opposite of success is not failure, but giving up or quitting, then we know we can accomplish anything. Right. So through a series of interactive exercises, one involves shaving cream. Like I compared negative thoughts that once they're out, they're hard to, take back, especially if we push them onto someone else. But it's possible. But if we know it gets that messy in the first place, let's not even let it happen. Let's just start thinking more positively and knowing that we can always keep giving more and giving that great effort, planting those positive seeds, those positive thoughts in here and getting the positive results that we want. So thank you again for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. I'll see you again 2 more times this coming school year. But until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.